So, what do you want to do today? Hmm, I'm not sure, but where's Mr. Clever? Uh, I don't know. Look, before he left, he told me he had something to do. Yeah, well, I think it's pretty important because he's been he's been gone for like a while now. Yeah, wait, here was Mr. Bum. Mr. Bum. Oh, he's oh he's a little late. So yeah, don't mind it. Wait, I think he's arriving right now. Um, okay, okay, let's see what this is. Oh, hello, Mr. Bump. Oh, oh yeah, I'm listening. What was that? I'm not sure. I mean, I just jumped and I went like that, and yeah. Niles, I don't know what is going on with me. It sounds like you have hiccups. But the hiccups? What are hiccups? I don't know what hiccups are. That's well, it's when you eat too fast. Oh, I see. So I couldn't eat. I can't eat. I can't eat fast anymore. So that's why I have these hiccups. Well, yeah. So let's try some solutions to cure your hiccups. I don't know if any of them will work. I mean, I've tried I tried a couple of them and they did work out well. You know what I mean? Well, why don't you try drinking some water? Oh, but I don't want to drink water. If I drink it too fast, then my hiccups keep going. Oh, come on, it's not that serious. It's not that serious. Well, I think it is. Oh, okay. How about you just, go upside down like this? Like, yeah, maybe that can help. Like go upside down like that. So, hmm, that could actually be a good idea. Let me do that. So, but I think they're gone now. Yeah, I think they're gone now. Wait, no, they're not gone. Oh man, what else can cure hiccups? What else can cure the hiccups? Uh, well, I'm not sure. Well, last time I had hiccups, I last time I had hiccups, I one thing that cured it is that I went into this pillow right here, and I just, you know, try to, to cure it. And also, if you lay on your if you lie on your face, it will help. Oh, really? Let me try that. Okay. Okay, is it gone now? Alright. I'm not. Yes. Is it gone now? I'm not sure yet. Oh wait, no, it's not gone. Well, at least we tried. Yeah. Wait a minute. I know something that can cure hiccups. Really? Like, what? Well, follow me. Okay, I guess. Okay, we're here. Okay, now. Well, Mr. Tickle is. Well, Mr. Tickle is behind you, but do not look behind you. If you look behind you, it's not going to work. I get I get it now. So he's supposed to scare me, so my hiccups go away. Well, yes, that is how it works. Well, I mean, if anything works, it's this one right here. I'm gonna get him. What was that? Wait, what's that? Oh no. Something's not behind me, is it there? Stop it, stop it. Wait. Okay. That was unexpected, but wait a second, I think my hiccups are gone now. Wait, they are? Oh yeah. I mean, I'm not hiccuping anymore. Well, yeah, that's good. So, what do you guys want to do now? Well, it's already been 7 minutes, so I guess we'll just end it here then. Oh, alright, but I just have another thing to say. So if you're watching this right now and you have hiccups, right, try some of these out, maybe